Welcome to this video to repair a nunchuck stick. As you can see, and after a while of playing, the nunchuck loses precision and even falling with the gravity. The stick is not working when this happens. You will need a small screw like this one, a stir of coffee. I don't think it's very difficult to find one of those. Is the normal pipe that we use to stir the coffee. It's a plastic piece that easily to find. Next, you will need scissors. First step is to remove the screws and disassemble the nunchuck. Make sure that the screws are not falling and you don't lose them because those are very tiny pieces that you would like to take care of. Next step is to remove the cover and remove the plastic cover of the stick. Be careful on that because the electronic part um, should not be removed. As you can see here, the diameter of the stick was reduced because of the friction while playing, and we would like to replace this reduction with the plastic that we cut um, from the stir of the coffee stir. So I'm going to show you how to cut. This is the second step. Make sure is a very small piece where we're going to take out from the pipe, and the cut is a diagonal cut. Oh, make sure it is not happening to you because you will lose this small piece. Alright, make sure it has this shape. Now is the time to insert the piece into the stick of the nunchuck, putting the pike into the front because usually we um, tend to pull forward the stick while playing, and that's the part that normally has more friction. Doing a small pressure, ensuring that the plastic is inserted between the pieces. Now test that is tense now. Put back the cover of the stick and the cover of the nunchuck. You also have uh, to do some pressure over the plastic, not too much. Just make sure that it is closing correctly. Next step is to put back the screws. Sometimes because of the size of the screws, it's difficult to get them screwing into the device. Okay, once it's done, you can see the results. Alright, very good. As you can see, now it's not falling, and the stick is showing a tense position, enabling the play